Hi everyone, welcome to AceYourTest. Today we are taking up a question of ratio proportion where we will see two ways of solving the question. One is the typical layman method followed by majority of the students, which is noting down the information, making the equation in terms of variables and solving it. The second method is if we know the basic fundamental of ratios, then how can we solve this question under 30 seconds? So let's get started. So if I read the question, it says there were two classes, class A and class B, where the ratio of boys to girls is 4:5. So I can write down quickly that class A, the ratio of boys to girls is 3:4. In class B, the ratio of boys to girls is 4:5. So if I have to write down the boys and girls for both the classes separately, so I can say if there are 3x boys, then there are 4x girls. In class B, if there are 4y boys, then there are 5y girls. Then the next information which is given is the combined ratio of boys to girls in class A and class B. So combined boys are 3x plus 4y and girls are 4x plus 5y. This is given as 17/22. First information. Second, it says the number of boys in class A, which is 3x, is one more than the number of boys in class B, and the number of girls in class A, which are 4x, are two more than the number of girls in class B. Now I can see there are variables x and y. I have to solve it, which will be a slightly time-consuming process. If I invest a lot of time and energy in solving it, after a lot of time, I'll get x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Then I need to find out the girls in class A, which was 4x. So that gives me the answer as 12. So here we could see that with the help of the variables, it might consume a little bit more time. Now, if we have the basic understanding of ratios, we have been studying that if somebody says that the ratio of A to B is 3:5, then how do we say it? Let A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x. So this 3x means all the values of A will be in multiples of 3. 5x means all the values of B will be in multiples of 5. Following such a simple concept, now let's try and solve this question quickly with the help of the process of elimination. I'll talk about two classes, class A, class B. The ratio of boys to girls is 3:4. Boys to girls 4:5. Number of girls in class B is 2 less than the number of girls in class A. And I need to find out how many girls are in class A. So first of all, I have to focus on class A. And in class A, he's specifically talking about the girls. So that means this value, if I look at the ratio, should be in multiples of 4. And the options which were given were, so I can say B, C, and D. These can't be my answer. Now I'm left with two options which are in multiples of 4, which are 8 and 12. Now I can try with either of the two. So if I say girls in class A is 8, then girls in class B will be 8 minus 2, which is 6. But I know that the girls in class B, they should be in multiples of 5. So this doesn't fulfill the criteria. Hence, I can say the final answer has to be 12. So now we can see how knowing the basic understanding of the concept can save a lot of time. So to know more tricks like these, to understand more questions and the shortcuts like this, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos. Thank you.